In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your social media presence with Linkpop, a fantastic Shopify tool designed to streamline your online interactions. Imagine having a single, customizable link in bio page to showcase your products, important links, and social media profiles all in one nifty location. It's great for reaching out to your audience in a neat and organized way. So, let's dive into how to make the most of Linkpop and unify your online brand presence. First things first, let's set up Linkpop by adding it as a sales channel. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, navigate to the Sales Channels section and simply add Linkpop. This action integrates Linkpop into your Shopify setup, setting the stage for creating your very own personalized link page. Next, it's time to create a compelling profile. Choose a unique Linkpop URL that resonates with your brand identity. Add a profile picture and craft an engaging bio. These elements form the first impression for anyone visiting your page and should succinctly represent your brand. Take some time to customize your page by tweaking fonts, colors, and other design elements so that it beautifully aligns with your brand's aesthetic. The goal here is to make your Linkpop page a seamless extension of your online persona. Now that the basics are set up, let's focus on adding links, which is where Linkpop shines. Start with shoppable links by connecting your Shopify store to Linkpop. This action allows you to easily add products directly from your inventory, complete with titles and images. It's an excellent way to drive traffic to your products and potentially boost sales. Next, incorporate regular links. These could be to your website, blog, or any other pages that are essential to your online presence. Finally, add social media links. Linkpop supports all your social media accounts, making it easier for your audience to engage with you across platforms. Once your page is fully packed with all these links, it's time to share your Linkpop page with the world. Simply copy the Linkpop URL and paste it into the website or bio section of your social media profiles, such as Instagram and TikTok. This one action transforms your profile from a simple page into a convergence point for all your important content and products. Utilizing Linkpop can bring several key benefits to your business. Shoppable links naturally increase sales by connecting interested viewers directly to the products they want. The centralization of all your links in one place boosts social media engagement, making it easier for followers to access your content. Above all, Linkpop is designed to be friendly and intuitive, allowing you to swiftly create and manage your link in bio page without any hassle. The customization options let you create a landing page that truly reflects your brand's spirit. Embrace Linkpop and watch how your engagement and sales start to improve, all through the power of a single, well-organized link.